Hello, if the download speed on your Nintendo Switch is slow, let me show you what you can do in order to try to speed it up. So, first of all, we can go to System Settings, over here. Then let's go to Internet. Let's go to Internet Settings. Now over here, select your connection, and then go to Change Settings. Over here, you should be able to find MTU, and the default value is 1400. But let's change it to 1500 instead. And some people said that this helped them increase the download speed. And then let's press save. And there we go. Now if you go back to this menu over here, remember that you need to connect to this network again. The other thing that you can use is the USB Ethernet adapter. Switch OLED has LAN in the dock. So over here, if you have the dock, you can turn it around. Over here you have this back panel, you can open it. And then over here you have the LAN cable. If I rotate it, let me try to show you, there we go. Over here you can plug in the Ethernet cable. But in order to, of course, use it, you'll need to leave your Switch in the dock. And therefore use the TV mode in order to use it. But still, at least there is a way to do so. If you don't have Switch OLED, then of course, like I said, you need to use a USB Ethernet adapter. If you have access, you can also use the 5G internet instead of the default 2.4G or 3G, as normally they are much faster than the other. You can also take out the micro SD card and download the software on the console instead of the SD card, simply because it might be possible that the micro SD card write speed may be too low in order to download the game or the software faster. So try to do that, take out the micro SD card and then see if the download speed is faster. And you may be wondering, why would that work? Well, simply because if you have micro SD card inside the Nintendo Switch and you use it, then Switch automatically tries to install things on the micro SD card first, and then if there is not enough space or for some reason Switch cannot install it on SD card, then it will try to use the storage of the console itself. And the last thing that you can try is to not download in the sleep mode. Some people said that downloading while being in the sleep mode on the console caused the slower download speed. So try to download something with the console always on. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.